Just wanted to make a quick video on how to change a cabin air filter for a 2018 Honda Pilot. Save you about 50 bucks from the dealership if they ask you to do it. Here's the cabin air filter I picked up from Amazon for about 10 or 11 bucks. First thing you want to do is open up your glove box. Take all your junk out of the glove box. And then there's going to be two sides to it here where you basically have to push it on this side and push in on this side at the same time. And doing it one hand is not the easiest thing, so I'm going to go ahead and okay. So I pushed in on both sides. As you can see, there's little tabs right here. You just push it on that side, push it on this side, and then it makes the glove box pop down. Okay. No need to release this little wire thing. And if you look in here, right behind the glove box, you'll see that there's two tabs. A tab here, and like a pull tab here. Again, you can use two hands, but this time you might be able to get away with doing one, or maybe not. Okay, so here are your two tabs over here. Push it on this side, push it on this side, preferably with two hands, and then just pull this out. And as you can see, this is pretty dirty. So we're just going to remove the old filter, and what you want to do is take note when you're taking it out. See, it says airflow down, so you want to make sure when you put the new filter in that you got the arrow going down for the airflow going down. Alright, so I got the two filters side by side. You can see the old one here is on the right, new one's on the left. So this is pretty dirty. And then the new one looks kind of dark, but it's actually the same filter, pretty much the same filter, and it's got like a charcoal based filter, so that's why it's a little dark here, but this is the new one. So here's my new filter. Check on the side, it'll say airflow down with the arrow. So just put that in a little tray here. Make sure it's all in. And then it's going to be literally as easy as putting it back into the same spot that you took it out of. Right, push it in. And you'll hear those two side things snap in. They're just little pull tabs here, so they just snap in. And you are done. You just have to push that side in for your glove box again, push the other side in. That's it. So $10 cabin air filter change versus 50 bucks at the dealership.